Audi Q3 car, the destination for car lovers who crave the latest, the boldest, and the most refined machines on the road. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a moment of automotive excellence. From deep dives into the latest models to future-forward tech analysis, we cover it all right here. Today, we're taking a close and in-depth look at the all-new Audi Q3 2026, a luxury compact SUV that blends sophistication, technology, and everyday practicality like never before. The Audi Q3 has always been a strong contender in the premium compact SUV segment, but the 2026 model takes things several notches higher. It's not just a refresh. It's a smarter, sleeker, and more refined version of itself. The moment you look at it, the design evolution is obvious. Audi has taken the Q3's sporty profile and added a level of maturity. The body lines are smoother but still assertive. The front fascia has been reworked, featuring a more angular and slightly wider single-frame grille with a honeycomb pattern that feels both futuristic and powerful. The LED headlights are slimmer, smarter, and customizable, offering selectable light signatures that not only look cool but also improve visibility. Move along the side profile, and the stance feels more athletic. Subtle flares around the wheel arches emphasize its SUV posture without being overly aggressive. The roofline slopes just slightly, giving it that coupe-like silhouette without sacrificing rear headroom. Audi is also offering a range of new wheel designs, going all the way up to 21 inches, with striking finishes and aerodynamic patterns. The rear is equally compelling with a continuous LED light bar that gives the Q3 a wider look, while dynamic indicators and a new rear bumper design bring added flair to the back end. Let's talk interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that's modern, minimal, and unmistakably Audi. The design language is clean and functional, with just the right amount of tech. The virtual cockpit is sharper than ever, boasting a 12.9-inch fully digital instrument cluster with customizable layouts. Next to it is the main infotainment touchscreen, now 11.6 inches, running on Audi's latest MIB4 system. It's faster, smoother, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The UI is responsive and intuitive, allowing for a more fluid interaction with navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The entire dashboard is slightly angled toward the driver, giving the cockpit a sporty yet premium vibe. Ambient lighting flows subtly through the dash and door panels, offering up to 30 color options, and can be linked to drive modes for a more immersive experience. The materials used across the cabin have also seen a noticeable upgrade. Even in base trims, soft touch plastics, real aluminum accents, and high-quality fabric or synthetic leather dominate the interior space. In higher trims, you get options like genuine Napa leather, open-pore wood, and recycled microfiber, a nod to Audi's sustainable push. The seats deserve a special mention. They're redesigned for better ergonomics, offering great lumbar support and multiple adjustment levels. In the higher trims, heating, ventilation, and even a massage function are available for front seats. Rear seat comfort is impressive for a compact SUV. Thanks to a more intelligent packaging layout, rear passengers get more legroom and headroom, and the rear seats can slide and recline depending on your need for passenger comfort or cargo space. Speaking of cargo, the 2026 Q3 provides around 25 cubic feet of space behind the second row, which expands significantly with the seats folded flat. There's also a dual-level cargo floor and hidden underfloor storage that adds flexibility for day-to-day use or weekend trips. Overall, it's not just luxurious but practical, which is exactly what compact SUV buyers are looking for. Under the hood, the Q3 continues with its tried and true 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, but now it's been revised for better efficiency and power delivery. The base model produces around 190 horsepower, while the upgraded 45 TFSI variant cranks out close to 245 horsepower. Both are paired with a smooth 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that's quick to shift and refined in traffic or on the highway. Audi's quattro all-wheel drive system comes standard, ensuring that power delivery remains balanced and confident regardless of the driving conditions. New for 2026 is the mild hybrid system, which uses a 48-volt battery to assist with smoother acceleration and regenerative braking. It helps with fuel economy, particularly in stop-and-go city traffic, and contributes to a more refined driving experience overall. The start-stop system is seamless, and you almost don't notice when the engine shuts off at traffic lights. Behind the wheel, the Q3 feels agile and planted. The steering has been slightly revised for better feedback, and the chassis tuning has been optimized for improved ride comfort without sacrificing handling. The suspension absorbs rough roads with ease, especially in models equipped with adaptive dampers. Drive modes including comfort, auto, dynamic, and off-road allow you to tailor the driving experience to your liking. Whether you're navigating urban streets or cruising down the highway, the Q3 delivers a premium driving experience that feels more expensive than it is. In terms of tech, the 2026 Q3 is loaded with features you'd normally expect in larger luxury SUVs. You get a head-up display, a 360-degree camera with 3D visualization, traffic sign recognition, and a smart voice assistant that now understands natural speech patterns more effectively. You can ask it to change the temperature, navigate to your next destination, or even suggest nearby restaurants. Safety is another area where Audi has stepped things up. Standard driver assistance features include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. Higher trims add adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane keep assist, and Audi's traffic jam assist, a semi-autonomous system for low-speed driving scenarios. All these systems work smoothly together, without being intrusive or overly sensitive. There's also a new digital key feature that lets you unlock and start your Q3 using your smartphone, and even share access with family or friends through a secure app. It's these small touches that make everyday usability feel futuristic and seamless. Audi has also upgraded the sound system in the Q3. While the base system is decent, audiophiles will appreciate the available Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system with 15 speakers and crystal clear acoustics. It transforms the cabin into a personal concert hall, and whether you're listening to podcasts or your favorite driving playlist, the sound quality is rich and immersive. Fuel economy has improved slightly across the board, thanks to better engine tuning and the mild hybrid system. Expect around 26 mpg in the city and up to 32 mpg on the highway for the base model, respectable figures for a luxury all-wheel drive SUV. Pricing for the 2026 Audi Q3 starts around $39,000 for the premium trim and climbs to just over $50,000 for the prestige trim, depending on how you spec it. Optional packages include the Black Optic Sport Package, S-Line styling, Premium Plus Tech, and more, giving you plenty of room to personalize your Q3 according to your lifestyle and taste. What makes the Audi Q3 2026 truly stand out is its balance. It's small enough to navigate tight city streets, yet big enough to handle long road trips with family and gear. It's stylish without being flashy, powerful without being excessive, and luxurious without pushing into the six-figure territory. Whether you're a first-time Audi buyer or someone looking to downsize from a larger SUV, The Q3 2026 offers a compelling, well-rounded package. And that wraps up our full look at the 2026 Audi Q3. If you found this video helpful or learned something new, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Legendary Car for more detailed reviews, first looks, and deep dives into the most exciting cars hitting the market. Let us know in the comments what you think of the new Q3. Is this the perfect daily driver, or do you have your eye on something else? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.